Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you due to repeated failed to login impact on Snapchat in 2022 in iPhone and Android device. Lot of Snapchat user has been reporting to when the login date time it's showing this due to repeated failed to login impact on Snapchat account. Now the Snapchat users question is what to do for the fixing this Snapchat error on my iPhone and Android device. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. When the Snapchat users login that time, it's showing this error on your iPhone and Android device. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first one solution is forget your password. Now first of all open the Snapchat applications, tap on the login, now enter your correct username and tap on the forget password. Select the anyone options, now enter your correct email ID and you can easily submit to reset your password. Once the reset password is done, now simple thing is again login and you can easily fix your problems. Now the second solution is disable VPN on your iPhone and Android device. Now this question is what to do. First of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general now scroll down and find out the VPN and device management. Now tap on the VPN. If any VPN is connected, now please remove that and again log in the Snapchat account on your iPhone and Android device. Now the third one solution is general solutions for the iPhone and Android users. Now the solution is delete the Snapchat applications and reinstall again it. Now first of all find out the Snapchat applications, press and hold. After last option is remove and delete app. Once your Snapchat application is uninstalled, now simple thing is download install again Snapchat applications on your iPhone and Android device. Now the last one solution is most important for the iPhone users. Now the first of all open the any browsers. In browsers top corner search bar, in search bar search the Snapchat support. Now the first one link is support.snapchat.com officially available. Now simply tap on that. Now scroll down and tap on the contact us. In the contact us, now second option is I can't access my account. Now again pop up after second option is I forget my password. Now simple tap on that. After again scroll down and tap on the something need helps. Now again tap on the yes. Now again open the list. After you can see also first one option is username. Now enter your correct username. Now second option is email address. So guys, please make sure linked email address, enter that. Now enter your correct mobile number. Now the last option is what information should be we know. Now these descriptions I give you on my descriptions box on this video. So guys, please make sure copy and paste. You can easily tap on the submit. Now simple thing is wait for the 24 hours. You can easily forget your password and log in back to Snapchat account. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you need query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. Thank you so much.